Modern-day farm equipment is complex, and that makes maintenance more important than ever. Recently, I was up at the new Fendt Lodge in Jackson, Minnesota, and I had the chance to talk with Ben Matthews about their Gold Star warranty and how it's bringing peace of mind to Fendt owners. Ben, let's talk about the Gold Star warranty. This is something Fendt brings to the table. Can you tell us what it is?
Yes, yeah. Every Fendt machine comes with our Fendt Gold Star customer care program. Really what that means if I'm a customer is I have peace of mind, I have uptime guarantee, I also understand my total cost of ownership, and best of all, it's also backed by our best-in-class parts availability. So when you think about what Gold Star is, it's 3 years of warranty. So every machine comes with 3 years of warranty. Also 3 years of your scheduled maintenance. If something were to happen and your machine were to go down, we have loaner support available. And then last but not least, we also have our dealerships there to service you whatever you need.
So if I'm a Fendt owner, What does the Gold Star warranty mean to me as an owner?
Yes, so as an owner, it really takes your ownership experience over for you. So when you're a customer and that scheduled maintenance needs to be done, our dealerships will go on your farm and complete that maintenance. Included with each of those maintenance is also an inspection. So outside of just making sure that your machine is maintained properly, we're also inspecting to make sure that you can have that maximum uptime.
Ben, these tractors keep growing more complex. They keep getting more expensive. How does the Gold Star warranty help preserve that machine's value?
One of the things that you most often forget is that when you have a machine that's well maintained, the second owner then can see that machine is maintained at a very high level, therefore we can have higher resale value. So we see that our Fendt tractors and really machines overall have a higher resale value because of the Gold Star experience.
The buyers, the second buyers, have that confidence that the machine has been cared for.
Exactly, exactly.
And so much of this comes back to the quality of parts that are used in these machines.
Yep.
Ben, how does Fendt stand out when it comes to either part quality or aftermarket service?
Fendt has 1, OE quality parts, 2, backed by industry-leading parts warranty. So we got 1 year of parts warranty and then 6 months of labor. That's also backed by best-in-class parts availability. Not only does AGCO have the parts somewhere here in North America, but our dealerships also have them at their dealerships themselves. And if the part is not here somehow in North America, we have every single day a plane that flies from Europe over to North America to make sure that we can get you up and running as fast as possible.
That is an uptime guarantee, Ben.
Yes, it is.
What happens when the warranty ends? Eventually this tractor is going to last longer than 3 years.
Yes.
What happens at that point?
So one of the nice things is because this Gold Star experience is so beneficial to customers, we have the ability for that customer, if they want to own that machine for more than 3 years, they can extend it out if they like to. So an example would be out to 5 years if that's how long they plan to own that machine, they can get that extended out. The other thing when we think about this total experience is we also have an e-commerce platform. So not only do you have the parts that you would need from a service experience, but if there's any other thing that you would need, we have that available on our e-commerce platform.
Ben, thank you so much for talking with us this week.
Hey, thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
Well, thank you, Ben, for that update on the Fendt Gold Star warranty. And folks, we'll have one more conversation coming from the Fendt Lodge here in the next few weeks.